Okay, so I'm out of my peppermint oil that I used to use on my muscles when I'm stiff and sore, and I use that instead of taking Advil or painkillers. Or CBD oil costs $40. This probably costs you about $6. I just use grapeseed oil, and you can use avocado oil too. I don't have quite enough avocado oil, so I'm going to do half and half today, but I like grapeseed oil just because it's closest you can get to the natural pH balance of the skin. So it absorbs in quickly. It doesn't really feel really thick or heavy on your skin. So I'm going to use a little bit of both of those. I don't have enough avocado oil to do a full one, so I'm going to mix half and half. And I'm just using that up. And then you use, just got peppermint essential oil. So you can order that anywhere online. And you need a little dropper. So I take about 20 drops. So I mean, it's very simple. And just get a container with a little pump on it. I think this is about 8 ounces, but any size works. So just, and there's no signs. Just, I don't have very much of this left in here, so. Okay, so there's about a quarter in there. And then the rest I'm just going to put grapeseed oil in. There's no... So I'll probably go through this, I don't know, maybe once a year. I mean, depending on how often you put on. I like to also massage it on my feet at night. Because I'm on my feet a lot all day, my feet get sore, so. So, and then I just take about 15 drops, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 19, let's do 20. And the rest is put back in the bottle. Smells good too. I like the smell of peppermint. So it's like don't eat lots of sugar, because sugar, that's the other thing, is don't eat a lot of sugar, because sugar causes you pain, causes your body to swell. So, and then you just put, so get away from the sugar. I know it's hard, but you can do it. And that's about it. You just like mix it up. And make sure it's open, yeah. So, and then you just put on your hands and you massage it into, I got from the rain coming today, I'm not in my shoulders. So just massage it in wherever you're tight, up your neck. This is where I was feeling it today, I was up here. And you saw, you don't need a lot. Just one little squeeze in. And you can see it's pretty much gone. So I hope you guys try it. It's way cheaper than spending $50 for a little tiny bottle of CBD oil. A lot of people market to sell their products. I like to use natural things, so that you don't spend a whole lot of money and have the same effect without spending a fortune. So I hope you guys will give it a try. Thanks so much, everybody.